Mother of two lost her life in stabbing incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who is suspected of killing his common law girlfriend by cutting her throat and stabbing her repeatedly on Monday reportedly turned himself into the police. The deceased has been identified as a Lisa patient of Louisville, St. Catherine.
Jesus Christ.
Reports are that sometime about 7 p.m., the suspect visited patient's house where there was an argument between the two, during which a knife was used to cut patient's throat. She was pronounced dead at hospital. One of patient's relatives said that the suspect's recent actions were troubling. Relatives stated that a few weeks ago, he and the female had an argument in which she smashed everything inside her shop. A few days ago, after the suspect had the argument with the female, he visited her home once again. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.